This is the 82-in-1 precision screwdriver set by XOOL. You have here this amazing case that holds every single one of the tools that comes in the kit, and when you open it up here on the bottom left, you have a static electricity grounding strap here to keep your sensitive electronics from getting shocked by static. And then you also have these little prying triangles here if you need a pry tool in this type of shape. But that's not the only type of pry tool they have in here. They also have these pry tools up here that come in all different shapes and sizes, a little bit different thicknesses, and then they also have tweezers up here, and all the tweezers come with these plastic covers to make sure that they don't get bent up, rusty, or hurt in any way. You have right here the screwdriver set. And this screwdriver handle is really awesome. It's got this guy down here that you can grab any bit, slide into it. It works super well. Then you also have, let me see if I can get this guy out here. Oh no! Ah, there we go, I got it. All right, this is a flexible end, and it also spins. So if you need it to get into a tight corner, you're able to do that. Now, all of these bits here, they all come out. They're free floating in here. They have a place to go. They're not going to fall out on you, but they are kind of free in here. So if you need to grab a set of bits and run, or you need to have a bunch of bits out, it's easy to get them out. Just pull it out, then pull one bit out, and you're good. So that's the whole screwdriver set, but then we also have more in this kit. Along with all of the pry tools on the left, we have some nice metal pry tools on this side. We have a razor blade right here. We have another type of pry tool, and then a poking tool. Then we also have, let me see here, another type of metal pry tool, and then finally a ruler on the right here. So if you're in the market for a phenomenal precision screwdriver set for your electronics, I would highly recommend this. This guy has been phenomenal for me. I've worked on MacBooks with it many times, and it has saved me in multiple different occasions when I've needed a specific type of screwdriver bit, and this guy's had it. So if you're in the market for it, highly suggest this guy.